Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Smart Scale P2, P3 with the P2 Pro, and we're going to look at what are the main differences. So when we're going to look here, the first thing is that the price is a little bit more expensive for the Smart Scale P3. Then the measurements with the weight, body fat, BMI, muscle mass are literally the same. So this is the first thing. And then when you're going to go further, you can have M syncing on both. The product size is better for Smart Scale P3. Then weighting range also better for Smart Scale P3. And then you can have special features. This is another thing that you can have probably better for the Smart Scale P3. It's right here. So yeah, product size, weighting range, and also the special features. You can have more for Smart Scale P3, and maximum weight capacity is better for Smart Scale P3. But other than that, is like the difference based on our specs is not that like not that high. So just want to make this quick video for you, and have a great day, and goodbye.